Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this session, we are going to learn how to install MySQL and how to connect with the data to MySQL and how to perform what is database and what is tables. In the basics of information, we are able to know. So, for example, if you would like to download MySQL, you can go to your browser and type MySQL, and you can get here. And then after, you can go to the MySQL installer for Windows and you can download the second one. Okay, this is the second one you have to download, and after downloading you will get MySQL window like this. Okay, you have to click over here and you will be able to see this screen. And here, this is these are databases, movies DB and SYS, World, Sagila, these are called databases. Okay, and for example, in this database, you can see these are called tables: actors tables, finance table, language table, and movie actor tables and movies. So, for example, we will see this is the one table movies, and this is the financial another table. This is the actors another table. This is the another one followed by languages. Okay, and these are called tables, and these called database. Okay, and now if you would like to perform a query in MySQL, first of all you have to import data. For that you need to go for the server and import data and import from self-contained file. You have to click over here and click here. You will see the file like this. So this file is stored on my local disk. Okay, local file, I mean in my local computers. Okay, I'm going to connect with this file to MySQL. Okay, now I'm going to click on import progress. Now you can see start import, and we have imported data, and then we will be able to see table. So this is the table. For example, this is the movies table. This is the information regarding movies table. These are called columns. These are called rows. Okay. And now you know how to import data to SQL. Okay. Now if you would like to increase font size, for which you have to do, go to edit and go to the preferences and go to the fonts and colors. You have to, as you can see, SQL editor, you can increase size, and another one result set grid also, you will be able to increase the font size of the table also. This is the result grid and this is the SQL. Okay, now you can see once again, this is a SQL editor and this is the result grid. Okay, right. And next one is, now you know what is database, and database holds tables. Okay, these are called tables: actress, finance, language, and followed by movie actors and movies. Okay, okay. Now you know databases and tables. Okay. In the next section, we are going to perform SQL queries, because As a data analyst, your main priority is you have to perform queries. Okay, in the next section we will be able to see how to perform queries out of this table. Thank you.